Now, the last type of question for today, and we'll go over this again tomorrow, but I want to get it started. Now, this one is particularly confusing at first. Okay, so on the side, if I want everyone to write this down. 2 to the 2x can be expressed as 2 to the x power squared. They are the same. They are the same, right? So 2 to the 2x, it's equivalent to 2 to the x power and then squared. I want you to write this down first, because if you don't write this down, things won't make sense at all. I mean, 2x.
Like you can always separate x in the power.
Yeah, yes, okay. And the essence of this expression is this. Let me go ahead and give you some color coding here. So I'm going to write this down, and that is 2 to the x power square times 2 to the x. Okay. Now, in algebra 2, we'll do something like this. It looks very complicated, and we would love to simplify the picture a little bit. So we are going to use a dummy variable. We call this a dummy variable. So we would say a is equal to 2 to the x. We're going to use a simpler variable for the moment. So you have the a in place of the 2 to the x. So you have this. And now, this looks like something more familiar, which we can factor into a minus 2 and a minus 1. Okay, and with that, we can say a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1, but that's not it, because we're trying to find out what x is, not what a is. And that means we need to put the 2 to the x back in, because that's what a is. Okay, so a is like a little vehicle to replace 2 to the x for the moment, temporarily. So then we ask ourselves, hey, 2 to the what power? It's 2. So x equals to 1, right? And then on the other side, we say, wait, hold on. I wrote this wrong. There should be a 1. So on the other side, we have a equals to 1. That means 2 to the x power, it's equal to 1. So we ask, hey, 2 to the what power? It's 1. Okay, so this is the challenge, okay? And this is as difficult as it gets for this week. As difficult as it gets for this week. It's just that how you can express 2 to the 2x as 2 to the x power overall squared, and then looking at this as a quadratic expression. Now, there's a very good question. For algebra 2, I would love to have you get used to this this dummy variable strategy. When you go to pre-calculus, I would say that you should lean away from the dummy variable. I think you would be able to just go ahead and write down 2 to the x minus 2, parentheses, 2 to the x minus 1. For now, go ahead, use the dummy variable, get yourself comfortable. And this is just another quadratic kind of expression.